What's going on, everybody? Check this out. It's the 1989 Yamaha WaveJammer, and I just pulled it out of the barn and it's kind of dirty right now, and I was doing some cleaning on it, but we're gonna take her for a rip out on the water out here. And there it is. There's Dave out on the tricks out there, just in case I need to be rescued. I already had this out and it was interesting. I fell in and it was a doozy to try to get back on, but lo and behold, this thing is still a blast. So let's get started on this. So we're gonna plug it in and we're gonna start it, and we're gonna take it back out and have a blast with it. So let's go. This thing, absolute pain in the neck to get on when you're out. But yeah, the best thing to do is get on the back of it. See how like it tips over like that? Get on the back of it. All right, let's try that again. Y'all still there? I'm gonna get on the back. There you go. This thing is basically a stand-up. Let me get the water off of here. Thing is a glorified stand-up. The grips have got to go. They're shot. But what a blast this thing is. Actually, I have my goggles on, but now they're soaked. Let's see. All right, now I'm good. I can see again. Woo! All right. About 100 feet out, so let's go. Come on. There it goes. That 500cc motor. There's Dave giving them the thumbs up. We're moving. Woo! What a turd this thing is. But it's a blast. It's a blast of a turd. I'm getting tranched. I'm the slowest thing out here. I think this thing tops at maybe 30. I'm afraid to take my GPS with me or my phone. There we go. We're going to go top speed. Sitting down. The WaveJammer. Oh, we're porpoising. Let me go forward a little bit. There we go. Woo! Dave's behind me. This thing skids out. There's no sponsons. There we go. There's Dave. Look at this piece. This jump. This thing is so dumb. Time getting back on it because I didn't know how to do it. It's similar to a stand-up though. You get on the back. Take a corner. Stay still at all ever. Get one of these. Holy crap. They are scary to get back on though. There it is. Power slide. It's got to be one of the weakest motors ever. I fell in and I tell you, that was tough. That was tough to get back on. A barn door when you hit a side wave. Pretty much a stand-up. I don't know what made Yamaha want to make this, but I hope they make one of these stupid machines again. It's got to be two-stroke though. Between Dave and I, we lifted it up. Woo! It's the rear foam is very slippery. Whoa! If this thing catches, you go in the water. Balancing act trying to get in. I want to see how much water got in there. Woo, balancing. The slower you go, boy, is this thing tough. Can't be on plane next to the water here. Whoop, almost in again. The whole footwell. I think the Sea-Doo Spark's bad at getting footwells full of water. There you go. Alright, we're gonna cut this. And we're gonna sink. Watch this. We're sinking. Welcome back. Here we go. That's the WaveJammer. What a stupid fun skate. Definitely not for the faint of heart, but boy, it was fun. Y'all should get one of these, at least try it. For the stand-up boys, I want to swap this 650. It's a blast. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll try it one more time to get in the water, but that's it for this one. Have fun, guys. Get one of these bad boys.